Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, March 28th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about your blueprint to earning while you sleep, okay? This is something that, Warren Buffett is known for saying that if you can't find a way to make money while you sleep, you're going to be working for the rest of your life, all right? So you want to find a way to earn 24/7, around the clock, no matter whatever you're doing, you can earn money. All right, and I've come up, it's not my exact, I didn't come up with any of these methods, but it's something that I put together, and I think the way that I do it is, the best way to do it when it comes to making money online, because I use hybrid marketing. I do online and direct mail marketing to share my opportunities with everybody, and it just flat out works, okay? So the first thing that you want to do, and by the way, my name is Russ again. If you've never seen any of my videos, I've been working in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been working for myself full time since 2018, and I am super passionate about helping people create mailbox money. So you can check out all my videos on my YouTube channel, check me out on Facebook, and what I do works. So I show up every day. I don't just talk the talk, I walk the walk. I show up every day. I take massive action and I stay consistent, and I try to share value in my videos and show you exactly what I do to, make money, right? To get mailbox money. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find your income stream. You want to pick out a product or a service that resonates with you, that you're passionate about, something in a niche that you're passionate about. All right. I'm in the make money online niche because I'm passionate about making money online and helping people make money online. That's just what I like to do. But if you're into, something different, a different niche, pick a niche that has a product or service that you resonate with and start sharing that opportunity with people. Okay. This could be direct mail marketing. This could be affiliate marketing. This could be memberships. This could be digital products. I mean, there's all kinds of ways to make money online nowadays. Okay. I just use examples based on what I do because, that's what I'm doing. These roads are horrible here, so if my video is not stable, it's because I am driving down some bumpy roads. This time of year, all the frost heaves, the roads are just bad. Okay, let's just leave it at that. But the next thing you want to do is you want to automate automate your business. So you want to have systems in place that do all the selling and telling for you. All right, this is the key right here. Systems in place that do all the selling and telling for you, so that your only job is to drive traffic over to these systems. All right? And when I say a system, you want something that captures somebody's information, so their name and email address at minimum. Some people like to collect phone numbers. I just collect names and email addresses. Then you want to have follow-up emails that go out on your behalf. Okay? So when somebody opts in to get more information, you want a follow-up sequence of emails in place that will follow up with that person, because it takes the average person like 10 to 12 times or more to see an opportunity before they join. So you want them, after they opt in and they go to a sales page that does all the selling and telling for you, you want emails going out on your behalf to follow up with that person, to remind them in a couple days that, hey, listen, you looked at this opportunity, you're interested in it, check it out again. Okay? And once you start, and then you want to scale your business. All right? So once you start making some commissions, you want to take some of that money, reinvest it back into your business to grow it even more, to scale it up, right? So what I do is I use direct mail marketing and social media marketing. All right, I focus on Facebook and YouTube. Those are the only social media platforms that I focus on. I create content on both platforms every day. And then I send out letters in the mail every day. Direct mail opportunity, I send out direct mail every day to people who are looking for ways to make money from home. All right, so I have 2 direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of, and both opportunities, the product that you get are leads, and these leads are opportunity seeking leads. So these are people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income from home. And what I do is I use those leads, and I have a letter that I put together, and I mail that letter out to these people with my businesses that I offer inside the letter, right? So if you go to joinruss.com, this is where I drive everybody, all my traffic, over to joinruss.com. And this, you'll see all of my opportunities that I'm a part of. And each opportunity has its own system in place that does the selling and telling for me. All right, and by doing this, since I've added direct mail marketing, I've tripled my income. Let's just put it that way, okay? This flat out works if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. What I do works, okay? And when you join me in any of my opportunities, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money because it's all dependent on your work ethic. But I can tell you that the people who show up and take action, who join me, they get results, okay? And when you join me, you're going to get a resource page with over 80 different places that you can share these opportunities online. You're going to get the exact same letter template that I use. And you're going to get my contact information so that you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any help. All right? It just flat out works. If you can mail out postcards and letters, you can make this work. What I do is easy for anybody. You don't have to be a marketing guru. You don't have to have a huge email list. You don't have to have any email list. All right? You don't have to have a YouTube channel, or you don't even have to have a Facebook account. All right, if you just want to join me and mail out letters, I'll show you exactly what I do, and I get results, okay? So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. But that is what you can do, or that is the blueprint to earning money while you sleep, okay? You want to have a product or niche that you can stand behind. You want to have a system in place that does all the selling and telling for you. You want to learn how to drive traffic over to those systems, and then you want to scale up your business. And I teach you how to do all that. All right? So, again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. It's my true passion to help people quit the rat race and live a life that you want to live and be able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want without worrying about cash flow. So, reach out to me anytime. Go to joinruss.com. Check out all my business opportunities. And I will see you in the next video. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.